Okay, the weather people said there is a major rain event, tropical storm, or hurricane heading your way. Last week was Hurricane Beryl and last year was Hurricane Howard. So, how should you check your car before the storm hits? I'll cover what I think is important and how I protect my family. Battery and electrical system. Without a battery, your car will not start. If you're having issues the battery and/or alternator, you can be confident one or both of these items will fail you in an emergency. AutoZone, Advance, and O'Reilly's will check your battery for free. Their free test will also cover the alternator. Tires. Bad tires tend to fail during a long drive. I check my tires every time I drive my car. Turn off the radio and AC, then drive 10 miles or so with your attention on the car vibration. Should you hear a soft thumping sound, try to locate which area of the car it's coming from. Chances are one of your tires have a bald spot, or something stuck in the tread. Always replace tires as a set of 2 or 4. The tire shop will install new tires on the front and old tires on the rear. Don't forget to check your spare tire, operational car jack, and lug wrench. A spare tire is useless if it's flat. A new spare tire is useless without a lug wrench and jack to replace a damaged tire. Air conditioning system. The AC also mitigate fog from windows. If the blower motor is broken, the windshield defroster will not keep your windows clear of fog. Replacement is a major and costly project that will take time to repair. Your best bet is just be aware of the problem and fix it after the storm. Check your cabin air filter. If this filter is clogged, air will not circulate and the climate in the cabin may be unbearable on high-temperature days. Wipers. Some cars have 2 wipers and some cars have 3. Whatever your car has, check them all. It's next to impossible to drive in a downpour with bad wipers. Wipers can last between 3 to 12 months. Extreme heat causes blade damage and icy weather shred wiper blades. If you live in the Southwest, extreme heat will do your wipers in. If you live in the Northeast, freezing weather will do your wipers in. Overheating issues. If your car overheats in normal situations, you can forget about using this car in an evacuation. Evacuations means road congestion. Congestion means you will be idling in long lines and have premium opportunities for your car to fail you. Check the cooling system starting with the coolant levels in the radiator, the overflow tank and the hose that connects the two. Then move to the fan belt, thermostat, and if needed the water pump. If needed, power wash the radiator to remove leaves and other trash. If your car is electric, these items must be remembered. If you like this video, please consider giving me a thumbs up and sharing the video. If you really like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Charge. Charge your car before the rains fall. If you live around Houston, Texas, expect a power outage. Expect a power outage that will last for days, if not weeks. Charge then disconnect. Never leave your car plugged in during a storm. One power surge or one lightning strike can blow up the car's computer. A Tesla car computer can cost between $1,000 to $1,500. EV batteries and flooding. EV batteries are in the floor of electric cars. Electricity and water don't mix. Should you drive through deep water or your car is flooded, your battery probably will get damaged. East, West and Gulf Coast drivers may get salt water corrosion due to flooding. Your best bet may be to put your car on jack stands and leave it in place. Last tip. 1 foot of moving water can sweep your vehicle away with you in it. That said, don't drive on flooded streets. In Arizona, there is a $2,000 rescue fee for drivers trapped on flooded roads, declared unsafe. It's called the Stupid Motorist Law. It corresponds to Section 28-910. There it is, my take on how to prepare your car before a storm. Thanks for watching to the end and have a great day.